The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you're having a great week so far. Well, look, it's been really good the last 24 hours from my point of view with regards to the markets. The top 10 has regained a little bit of its composure and is up very well, around the 5% as an average across much of that market right now. Now, you guys know I've been speaking for quite a while now about that sell-off that we saw last week. That candle that was down 4.82%, I had spoken of that, saying, look, that was basically off the Bitfinex and Tether saga. The saga continues, but we were looking at that sort of saying to it, well, look, this could be an opportunity for us to show even more bullishness when it comes to Bitcoin. And I stand by that comment right now. It has rejected, it has pushed on, and we are only a couple of $100 off the old highs that we saw recently, actually less than $100. Now I'm looking at the Bitfinex chart right now, and I'm going to flip that out because, in all honesty, Bitfinex is a little bit of a concern for me. To be straight with you, Bitfinex chart, here's the thing, right? We've got on the dollar, on Coinbase, we're up 5,275. On Bitfinex, we actually have a discrepancy there of nearly over $300. The Coinbase chart is much more reliable in my view, and if I just wrap that in with the XBT BitMEX contract, if I have a look at this on the rolling perpetual, you'll actually see the chart looks very, very similar to that of the Coinbase one. So therefore, both of those combined having a lot more volume, I'm going to go for those two as far as looking at the charts a little bit more so. As far as trading goes, sure, you're more than welcome to continue to use Bitfinex, and I have got money still on Bitfinex. I just don't have as much as what I did. Now, I'm always looking for new options for trading across multiple platforms and whatnot. And you're more than welcome to check out anything else that's out there. I'd just like to see that there's good liquidity. And there are certainly some other great options out there at the moment. For example, one of the other options I spoke of recently was a company called Spectre. It's basically smart contracts, or smart binaries, I think that they call them. And yeah, it's worthwhile going back and having a listen to that. Anyway, Bitcoin against the dollar here. On Bitfinex, it's pushing up towards the old highs, not so much on the old BitMEX and Coinbase charts. Now, I don't know why the difference is so significant there, but from my point of view, look, still, whether you're looking at BitMEX, Bitfinex or Coinbase, we do have a bullish candle that has presented itself for the last 24 hours thus far. On the 2-day, we're back in that cradle zone, and we are starting to look like a much more steady ship. Of course, the last few days not doing a great deal. Today up 2.38%, sort of charging along quite nicely. We'll have to wait and see what comes of it next. On the 4-hour time frame, I'll talk you through this right now. There's a higher low and a higher high there on the 4-hour. That's about all that I really need to talk about. So currently, when I look at the Coinbase chart, I'll talk you through it actually. I've just typed in Coinbase. Well done, Craig. BTC USD, here we go. Coinbase, we are currently sitting at a position of, excuse me, up 2.39%, and we're at 5,271. On Ethereum, a 5.63% today. A really strong recovery here on Ethereum, and it's at $171.49. Now, I'm just going to check this too, because this is my Bitfinex chart. I'm actually going to have a look now at the Coinbase chart. Again, a very big price discrepancy of $10. So Ethereum on Coinbase was sitting at $160. still a very strong day of 5.38%. So the percentage change is very much the same. It's just that the pricing is very, very different here. Well, without going through and doing that for each of them, knowing that the percentage amounts are the same, but the dollar amounts are different, let's talk to the percentages. So we got up 5.11% currently on Ethereum. Onto EOS right now, up 6.36%. And look, honestly, we now have a higher low and a higher high, pushing up back through that $5 mark. Will we hold through $5? Will we smash it, or will we struggle? Well, the test continues to be fought, or the battle continues to be fought right now around that $5 mark. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Stellar Lumen is up 6.09% as well. A very strong day there on Stellar Lumens. Ripple up 5.98%. Go on. Let's just call it 6% up, and sitting smack bang in the middle of that 35 and 29 range. We just keep on hanging around within that range. Craig, do you trade ranges? No, I don't. Not small ranges like that. Not like to buy at the bottom, sell at the top, not that sort of thing. There's a 4-hour uptrend right there. Not doing a great deal as far as offering me opportunities right now. Litecoin has held around that $74 mark and has now started to gain some momentum. Very strong day, as a matter of fact, up 9.77%, and a very, very strong gain there from Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash, another one with a very strong gain, sitting at 9.56%, today up $24. When I look at Binance, hey, look, it's a real slow burner at the moment, up 1.58%, sitting at $22. Real slow. Just holding its ground, It could do with a pullback, but that being said, this is Binance. It could just run on. Tron right now, we're up 5.98%, once again sitting at about that 2.4 cent mark. Cardano finally up 6.37%. I have been looking for shorts there. I am not right now, and today is a bit of a reset day in the market by the look of it. It's going to be very interesting to see what plays out throughout the next 24 hours and how these daily candles end up closing. But overall, ladies and gentlemen, this market has shown some more strength. There has been a nice bounce back today. The market is overwhelmingly green across the top 10, which means that I think it seems at this stage, aside from any additional FUD or news or whatnot coming out about anything in particular, the market seems to have brushed that off more or less, and we continue to grind higher. If we do see another very strong buyer day over the next 24 hours, get ready for 6,000. Ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to jump across to tradercobb.com and sign up to the bi-weekly video newsletter. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.